Hello, this is Alex Nakos, and I'm just doing my homework review for my very first assignment. So here in line 3, I'm just simply importing the scanner library, which I will be using to read standard input. Here is the class name of my program, InputProgram, and I'm doing all of this in main, so there's no classes or anything that I'm creating extra. Throwing an exception if the arguments are equal to 0. And here I'm holding operations 1, 2, and 3, which are going to be the arguments that we are returning based on the tag that is given in the command line following a potential item or not. So here I have a for each statement, which is just simply looping through the arguments that we do have present. If input equals -0, it's going to hold the following word / associated phrase to op1. If it is equal to -t, it's going to hold the associate word phrase to op2. And if it is equal to -h, op3 will just be empty string because there's no value that follows -h. And then in this try block here, I am asking the user, I'm prompting the user for standard input, creating a string called user input, creating my scanner object, system.in, and I'm asking here while scanner.hasNext, so saying while there is a next line or next valid input to be read, it is going to read the next line, and then if that input is empty, it's going to break, otherwise it is going to print that same input. And here we just have another catch block for the previous try, and down here is where we will finally print out all of the command line arguments that have been given. So if this is not null, op1 is not null, we're going to print out option 1, option 2 is not null, we're going to print out option 2, the option 3 is not null, option 3 will be printed. And that's about it. Thank you very much.